So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accounts. And now you want to scroll down and then click on other users. Now you want to select add account. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. And then select add a user without a Microsoft account. You could just put like any name you want. And then just put any password you want. Just make a local account for now. Just fill in these questions real quick. And then click on next. Once you have your new account, click on it. And then click on change account type. And then select administrator. And then click on OK. Once we have our new account, we're going to sign into it. So right click on the Windows Start icon. And then click on shut down or sign out. And then click on sign out. Now once you're on the account, go to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Again, view by set to category, and then click on user accounts, and then click on remove user accounts. And you can now remove your Microsoft account. Click on it, and then click on delete the account. If you want to keep your files, you can. If you want to delete your files, you can. And then click on delete account. That's how you do it.